Today in this video I am going to solve another problems of fundamentals of partnership. In previous video we already solved one problem that was related to the preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Here we are also doing the same thing, but little bit there will be changes in the question. So okay, see here. First of all, we will read the question. X, Y and Z are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Here we will write X, Y and Z. These are partners having a profit sharing ratio of 2:1. The fixed capital of the partners were X rupees 5 lakh. X has contributed how much capital? Capital of X rupees 5 lakh and capital of Y also rupees 5 lakh and capital of Z rupees 2,50,000. The partnership deed provides that interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on capital is mentioned in the partnership deed. As you know that if it is not mentioned in the partnership deed, then we cannot provide the interest on capital. So here it is mentioned, so we will provide 10% interest on capital. Z is allowed to be a salary of rupees 2,000 per month. The partner Z is allowed salary also here how much? 2,000 per month. It means it will be converted into the year. It means 24,000 per annum Z will get the salary. Now the profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2018 after debiting Z salary was rupees 4 lakh. It means it has salary of Z already has been debited. Here we have two way. First way is that Z salary, first of all we will credit the Z salary, then we will distribute all the things, and second way is that we will keep remain the Z salary and the remaining profit we will start to solve the question. Now here what we will do, we will do that first of all we will credit the Z salary, we will add this Z salary into the net profit. Here what will be the net profit? Net profit is given rupees 4 lakh after debiting Z salary. Now we will credit the Z salary. How much? Z salary is 24,000 per annum. It means your net profit is 4,24,000. This is your net profit. So now we have to solve this problem. We will make the ledger of profit and loss appropriation account. So this is the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Here is the debit side and here is the credit side. Here is the debit amount column and here is the credit amount column. First of all, what we will have to do? First of all, we will transfer this net profit into the profit and loss appropriation account. So here we will write by profit and loss account, we will write the narration net profit is to be transferred. How much is the net profit? 4 lakh. How much is the net profit? 4,24,000. Now what we have to do? First of all, we will calculate the interest on capital because we will have to provide 10% interest on capital to each partner. So we will write here to interest on capital, X capital, Y capital and Z capital. What will be the X interest on capital? X interest on capital will be 5 lakh into 10%. 10% in the sense 50,000 X interest on capital. Y is same 50,000 because Y capital is also 5 lakh. Same here also 50,000, and Z interest on capital, Z capital is 2,50,000, then their interest will be how much? 25,000. So, the firm will provide to X how much? 50,000 interest on capital, Y how much? 50,000 interest on capital, and Z how much? 25,000 interest on capital. So, the total value of interest on capital will be 1,25,000. Now, here Z is getting a salary of rupees 2,000 per month into 12, it means 24,000 per annum. Now, here we will provide salary to Z also. To Z's salary how much? 24,000. Later on we will distribute the profit. How much profit? Here the remaining profit will be distributed among the partners to profit and loss appropriation account, X capital account, Y capital account, and Z capital account. Here total amount is 4,24,000. Here also total amount is 4,24,000 minus this amount 4,24,000 minus, here the remaining profit will be 2,75,000. Now, we will have to distribute this profit among the partners. So, here ratio is given. In this way we will distribute this profit in this ratio, 2,75,000 into 2 upon 5, it means 1,10,000. Here X profit will be 1,10,000, Y profit will be same because X and Y having same ratio, and Z profit will be 55,000.